15 cheap British foods you'll find in almost every home. There's something wonderfully comforting about the everyday foods British households reach for without hesitation. Those budget-friendly staples that have quietly fed families for generations. And right in the middle of that beloved tradition sits 15 cheap British foods you'll find in almost every home. A reminder that great meals don't need expensive ingredients or complicated recipes. These staples survive every food trend because they're practical, tasty, and ridiculously affordable. Whether you grew up eating them or rediscovered them later in life, these humble essentials continue to shape daily life across the UK, proving that simple food still delivers big comfort. 15. Instant noodles. Instant noodles remain one of Britain's most convenient cheap foods, especially loved by students and busy households. They cook in minutes, cost next to nothing, and offer quick comfort when energy is low and time is tight. People often toss in leftover veg, eggs, or spices to upgrade them without spending more money. Their long shelf life makes them perfect for stocking up, and their simplicity keeps them relevant even as food trends shift. 14. Porridge oats. A large bag of porridge oats can last weeks, offering warm, filling breakfasts for a fraction of the price of boxed cereals. Families have relied on oats for centuries, and their versatility keeps them firmly rooted in modern kitchens. Whether topped with honey, fruit, jam, or peanut butter, oats adapt to every taste. They also feature in flapjacks, bakes, smoothies, and homemade granola, proving their usefulness extends far beyond breakfast. 13. Tinned tomatoes. Tinned tomatoes are one of the UK's most essential cheap foods. They form the backbone of countless dinners, pasta sauces, stews, curries, soups, casseroles, and more. Their cost is tiny, their shelf life is long, and their versatility is unmatched. Fresh tomatoes may spoil quickly, but tins wait patiently until needed. They add richness, acidity, and colour to almost anything, turning plain ingredients into something satisfying without stretching the wallet. 12. Bread. Bread is possibly the most universal staple in British homes. It appears at breakfast, lunch, and quick dinners. Toast, sandwiches, egg and soldiers, beans on toast, and cheese on toast all rely on it. It's cheap, filling, and endlessly adaptable. Even stale bread has value. It becomes croutons, breadcrumbs, or bread pudding. Whether white, wholemeal, or seeded, bread quietly supports everyday meals and remains one of the most cost-effective items in every weekly shop. 11. Pasta. Pasta is a budget lifesaver and one of the easiest meals to prepare. Almost anyone can boil it, and it pairs with inexpensive ingredients like tinned tomatoes, cheese, or frozen vegetables. Its shelf life is long, making it perfect for storing in bulk. Families, students, and rushed workers all rely on pasta to create quick, hearty dinners. It doesn't matter whether it's penne, fusilli, or spaghetti. Pasta makes cheap cooking feel warm, reliable, and more filling than almost anything else for the price. 10. Potatoes. Potatoes are one of Britain's most dependable cheap foods. They're filling, versatile, and timeless. Roast them, mash them, boil them, fry them, turn them into wedges, or bake them into jacket potatoes. The options never end. They also pair beautifully with other inexpensive ingredients, allowing meals to stretch further. Potatoes store well when kept cool and dry, which is why they remain a regular feature in weekly shopping baskets. No matter how trends evolve, potatoes always find their way onto British plates. 9. Eggs. Eggs offer outstanding value and appear in every type of meal. Breakfast scrambles, lunchtime sandwiches, quick omelettes, baked dishes, and dinner plates. They're essential for baking, binding, thickening, and coating. A box of eggs stretches surprisingly far, making them an ideal budget-friendly choice. Their protein content, long refrigerator life, and nearly limitless uses keep eggs firmly placed among 15 cheap British foods you'll find in almost every home. When you need cheap, fast nourishment, eggs do the job beautifully. 8. Baked beans. Few foods are as quintessentially British as baked beans. They are inexpensive, filling, and incredibly easy to prepare. Beans on toast, jacket potatoes with beans, or beans alongside sausages all remain weekly staples for many households. Their sweet, tangy sauce delivers comfort, especially on colder days. Tinned beans also endure long past their purchase date, making them brilliant for cupboard storage. Throughout generations, beans have remained a symbol of affordable, warm, home-style eating. 7. Tea. Tea is more than a drink in Britain. It is a cultural anchor. Most households keep a box of everyday tea bags ready for whenever the kettle calls, usually several times a day. It's cheap, comforting, and perfect for breaks, conversations, and slow afternoons. Even those who rarely drink tea themselves often keep some for visitors. It pairs with almost everything, from biscuits to breakfast, and its cost-effectiveness keeps it central in almost every UK kitchen. 6. Gravy granules. Gravy granules are a British cupboard classic, always ready to transform simple meals into comfort food. A spoonful and some hot water is all it takes to elevate roast potatoes, sausages, Yorkshire puddings, or chips. They're inexpensive, last months in the cupboard, and are essential for Sunday dinners. Busy families rely on them for quick meal upgrades. Whether poured generously or used lightly, gravy remains one of Britain's favourite finishing touches. 5. Rice. Rice quietly supports dozens of British meals, from curries and stir-fries to chili and stews. It's cost-effective, filling, and incredibly easy to store long-term. Many households buy large bags to save even more money. Leftover rice becomes fried rice, salads, or side dishes, reducing waste and stretching budgets. Its simplicity and adaptability make rice a quiet hero in cheap British cooking. 4. Canned tuna. A tin of tuna can accomplish a lot for very little money. Tuna sandwiches, pasta bakes, jacket potato toppings, tuna wraps, and salads all come from a single tin. Its high protein content and long shelf life make it ideal for households trying to keep costs manageable. Tuna rescues last-minute lunches and quick midweek dinners, earning its place as a reliable pantry essential. 3. Sausages. Sausages remain a beloved budget option throughout the UK. They deliver big flavour at a low price and can create many meals. Sausage sandwiches, casseroles, toad in the hole, sausage rolls, breakfast plates, or pasta dishes. Families appreciate how well sausages freeze, how quickly they cook, and how versatile they are. Their comforting taste keeps them popular across every generation. 2. Mince, beef or turkey. Mince is one of the most adaptable, low-cost ingredients in Britain. It easily becomes bolognese, cottage pie, chili, meatballs, burgers, stuffed peppers, and more. It absorbs seasoning beautifully and freezes exceptionally well, which is why so many households keep a pack ready for flexible meal planning. Mince stretches across several dishes without stretching the budgets, making it a top-tier choice for affordable home cooking. 1. Cheese. Cheese tops the list because it appears in nearly every British home and enhances countless meals. Even though prices vary, a single block of cheddar stretches far when shredded or sliced. It becomes cheese on toast, pasta toppings, sandwich fillers, omelette add-ins, baked potato toppings, and snack portions. Cheese elevates cheap meals with flavour and richness, turning basic ingredients into something far more comforting. Its versatility, long fridge life, and everyday usefulness explain why cheese stands proudly at number 1 among 15 cheap British foods you'll find in almost every home. These simple staples show how affordable cooking continues to shape British life. 15 cheap British foods you'll find in almost every home highlights timeless ingredients that remain dependable, filling, and comforting. Despite shifting food trends, these everyday essentials still sit at the heart of UK kitchens, proving that good meals don't need high budgets. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.